Hey, welcome to Meet Our Help tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to use the video conference recording feature on Meet Our in desktop mode. Let us start the guide. Note: to use the recording feature you need a Dropbox account for storing conference recording. If you don't have a Dropbox account, please sign up for a Dropbox account using this link. Step 1. After you join the meeting, now, go to More Options, click the Start Recording button. A pop-up window will open asking you to log into your Dropbox account. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button and log in with your recently signed up Dropbox and provide permission to store your recording. Step 3. Once login is successful, click on the Start Recording button, and the recording will start. Step 4. You can stop the recording when the conference completes and automatically video will be uploaded to your Dropbox under the Recordings folder. Note: to keep the privacy of our users, we are not storing anything on our Meet Our servers. We are directly storing the recorded video on your Dropbox account. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Enjoy free video conference by Meet Our. Please subscribe to our channel to stay connected with the latest updates.